Hi everyone, and welcome to the Sunset Digital Literacy Program. Today we'll be learning how to install Zoom. The first thing you'll need to do is go to a web browser. For today's tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome. So you'll double click on Google Chrome on your desktop if it's there. I'm going to expand this window so that it's at full size, and then from here we'll go to zoom.us. Now from the website, to download Zoom, we'll first go to Resources. Hover over Resources and a menu will show up below it. Download Zoom Client. We'll click on Download Zoom Client, and then we'll get this top one, which is recommended for us. So we'll click the big blue download button. That will very quickly be downloaded. So to get to the Zoom installer, you can either click at the very bottom if you're using Google Chrome. You can click right here to activate the installer, or we can go down to our File Explorer and go to Downloads either here under Quick Access or under our Folders area from this PC. I'll use the Quick Access link. So I'll click it once, and you can see the Zoom installer has been downloaded and it's ready to be used. So we will double click the installer, and then wait for it to initialize and begin installing. And perfect. We can already join a meeting. Now that you have Zoom installed, you can finally join a meeting. To join a meeting, you can either click a link that somebody sent you through email, text message, or however you found it, or you can start Zoom up like we have and click Join Meeting and enter your meeting ID. This isn't something that you'll do very often. The easiest way is to definitely click the link that is sent to you. So I have my Gmail open in the background, where I've already invited myself to a practice Zoom. So as you can see, that meeting comes with a meeting ID and passcode already. To bypass that, there's also this Zoom link. You can just click it. It'll ask you to open Zoom Meetings. Click Open Zoom Meetings. And then from there, you're just waiting for the host to start this meeting. Once the meeting host has let you in, or once you click on it, if you are the meeting host, you'll just join with computer audio. And that's it. You're in the meeting. Two big things. If you want to open your video, you'll want to click Start Video, like so, and then I'll show you. If you want to turn off your video, click the same button, and if you'd like to turn off your microphone, click the microphone button. These buttons are always going to be in the bottom left. To leave the meeting, you can click End Meeting or Leave Meeting, and then you're done. This has been how to install Zoom. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.